guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm just gonna be vlogging my day a little bit, and I was so excited because I was gonna like get Starbucks and like make cookies, which I'm still gonna do both those things, and then in the afternoon I was gonna like go to Target but it's because I need a few things, so I was gonna do all that this afternoon. But yesterday my car decided not to start 15 minutes before I was supposed to be at work, so that was really fun, and it still like isn't starting, so we're fixing that later today. But basically my mom is going to work in the afternoon, so I can't like take her car or anything. But we're going to breakfast at Starbucks, I think. If not, I'm just gonna go pick it up. But there's like a new Starbucks like literally a mile away from my house that's like so fancy and like nice. It's just like the prettiest Starbucks I've ever been into, honestly. But I'll show you my outfit first, and I really like it today. Also, I self-tanned last night and it worked out really well, except for this leg. Like, you can totally see that on camera. Like, do you see how pale the bottom half of my leg is? I think it's because that's the first like spot that I tanned, and I didn't like shake up the bottle, so like nothing, like no actual tanner was getting on it. I don't know why that happened, but I'll show you my outfit now. Okay, so my top is from Halara and I'm absolutely obsessed with it, mostly because I don't have to wear a bra with it because it has like built-in padding, and like look at the neckline, love it. Not spons, but I don't know if my code still works, EdenL20, but you can try it on their website and get 20% off, which is how I got this top. And then just these shorts from Target. These are like my favorite shorts ever. Like, I wear them with like everything. And then I'm just gonna wear some like slides or something. Okay, I'm in my mom's car with my phone, so there's no good place to put the camera, my phone. But I got a pink drink with no strawberries because low-key the soggy strawberries that are in it like are not a vibe. Also I was too nervous. There was like 5 people behind the counter. Last time I was in there was only 1 person working back there, so I didn't like film anything around me, but I'm sure I'll be there a lot this like coming school year. Plus I have an online class starting in like 2 weeks, so I'll be there a lot this summer too, probably like doing work. And then I got a plain bagel and my mom got a cinnamon raisin. They were out of cream cheese, which kind of pissed me off because the cream cheese was like the best part last time, but well, the bagel's the best part, but cream cheese like adds to it. Sorry, I'm not holding my phone very well. I'm gonna go and not get copyrighted. Okay, I'm gonna tidy up my room right now, light a candle, because I'm trying to like burn this one so I can burn this other one that I really want to burn, which makes no sense. It's like I realize I could just burn it if I want to, but I don't know. I feel like I have to like finish one candle at a time. I don't know. Anyways, let's make my bed and yeah. Okay, all done, room's all clean. Literally all I had to do was like make my bed and put my pajamas away, but I did it. My pink drink is on the ground because I don't want to leave a water ring anywhere. And I do have a coaster that hello, there we go, okay. Anyways, also life update, I guess, but not really. I ordered an iPad yesterday for school, which is something I've been saving up for a while now, so I'm very excited about it. I got the purple iPad Air, like the newest one. Very excited. Got an Apple Pencil too, because I'm gonna be using it for school. Did I say that? I feel like I did. But I don't know, I might do an unboxing, or I might do like a setting up my iPad video. We'll see. It's supposed to come on Monday. It's Thursday right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go read and hopefully finish my book. I'm reading Casey McQuiston's new book. Yeah, I'm almost done with it, so I think I'll finish that and then bake cookies. Update, I have 1 chapter left of my book, but I'm gonna go and just check and see if my car starts, because it would be a miracle. It would be amazing if it did. I doubt it, but let's just go see, and you can hear what it sounds like when it doesn't start. I'm just gonna see. It's not going to, but I just wanna see. It's so hot in here. Are you joking? Wait. Oh my god, it's so hot, the camera's fucked. Wait, what? Well, now I feel like I have to go somewhere. And I really want sushi, but that would require me to turn my car off and go inside. And if I turn it off and it doesn't start again, not a good thing. Was not expecting it to start, like genuinely. Okay, what? Okay, I left my car running outside right now, but I'm grabbing my wallet and I'm going to go get food because I don't feel like making any, and then I'll come back and make cookies. I kind of want a Dunkin' grilled cheese, which is the weirdest thing, but they're so good. And it's, Dunkin' is really close. Okay, I'm gonna go do that. Let's hope that my car doesn't blow up on the way there. Okay, back home. No, but actually, oh my God, okay. First of all, I like have had a cold for like a week now, half a week-ish. It started Saturday night and I just have not felt better since. It's not COVID, I took a COVID test, it was not that. Anyways, back to my original point. The most devastating news I got today was that Conan Gray is going back on tour, but he's not coming back to my state like he did back in March. And it makes me mad. I probably will end up traveling to Chicago. Not traveling, but going to Chicago to see him. It's just so far away. I'm gonna bake cookies and probably listen to Harry's House, who I am seeing in October, so I'm very excited. Got all the ingredients, got my cat watching me from the laundry room in the back here. He's just sitting on the mail, so don't look at my address. But you're just sitting on all the mail. You're being the censorship I need for my address, right? Oh, okay. Let's bake these cookies. Okay. I actually don't know what I want to listen to. I want to listen to Harry's House, but I also want to listen to Baby Queen, but I also want to listen to Wallows. I think we're gonna go with Wallows because I saw them last week and I miss them. As if I like actually met them. No, it was such a good show. Anyways. I want to listen to Baby Queen actually. I changed my mind. I don't know. Okay. That's not sugar. This is sugar. No, I got egg all over my phone! Fully got a shell in there. I just spilled salt all over the ground because I forgot I had some in here already. Why? Why does this only happen when I'm filming? Like, I'm such a chaotic baker on camera. I can't even see the salt. I'll sweep later, but okay. That looks so good. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Okay, the cookies are in the oven. I'm about to start the last chapter of this book. This is just the thing. I Kissed Shara Wheeler. If you saw my last video, you know I literally like had been pronouncing it as Sarah the whole time in my head, and then I realized it's not Sarah. Anyways, so yeah, last chapter. Very excited to see how it ends. Very happy with how it has turned out so far. Okay, I'm really cold, so I'm wrapped in a blanket right now. But I finished this book. It was so good. Oh my god. I feel like Casey McQuiston's books always leave me wanting like more. Like this one especially, like was very open-ended, I feel like. Like it ended, I don't know. Like there wasn't, I don't know. But at the same time, she like concluded where all the characters were gonna be afterwards. Anyways. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to Walmart and Target for a few things. Because I just have, like I mentioned earlier, some stuff that I needed to get for upcoming summer activities. And yeah, I don't know what tote bag I want to take because I have 3 different options. Anyways, after that, I think I'm gonna get sushi for dinner because I wanted to last night, but again, my car broke. So, not broke, but apparently now it's working. I don't know. It's getting fixed tomorrow. We're figuring out what's wrong with it and then getting fixed. Okay, this is my new outfit. This cute little shirt. I forgot where I got it from, but it's really cute. And then my little custom platform Converse, which I don't wear as often as I should. Like, I'm like scared to get them dirty, but this summer I really need to wear them. Oh, don't look at my legs. Oh my god. Then my little Heartstopper tote bag because I have to spread the agenda everywhere I go. I'm at Walmart. I didn't vlog in there because Walmart stresses me out. Like, I don't know. I don't like it in there. The vibes are off. The vibes are way better at Target where I'm going next. But I found some little stick-on nails that aren't like extremely long because if I have long nails at my job, like at where I work right now, it just doesn't work for me and they like break even faster than they should. But I got, don't look at me. Oh my god, now there's someone across from me. Another person across from me. Okay, I printed off a cute little picture thing for my best friend for a graduation party and got a little frame for it. So very excited about that. Guys, I'm a bad vlogger. I forgot to vlog in Target too. I swear to god I went there. But also I was just getting cards, like I said. So there wasn't really anything to vlog. But I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna vlog in Target, and then I didn't. But anyways, I ordered my sushi. I ordered a Cali roll with cream cheese. So very excited to eat that. I will be showing you my sushi. Because I need to like do something in this vlog. So I think I'm gonna extend this vlog to tomorrow because my iPad is actually supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So maybe I'll do an unboxing to like actually make this vlog interesting. I'm sitting here digging into my sushi and I realized I never showed it to you. Not that it really matters, but I've just been such a bad vlogger today. Okay, I hate ginger and wasabi, so no thanks. But Cali roll with cucumber, crab, avocado, and cream cheese. It's literally, what is it? That's how you do the heart? Yeah. Amazing. Okay. Milo, come on. Let's go. He won't leave the garage. Are you gonna walk? Come on. Can you move? Okay guys, I've been thinking about this for a while now. So ever since I got back into reading, like after high school when I like had a lot more time, I've accumulated a lot of books, and you can see my pile of new books on the ground with nowhere to go. And I do technically have a bookshelf, but right now it's in my closet because I like didn't need it for a while. I was thinking I was gonna like measure it. First of all, I need to measure and make sure it'll fit, but I might put it here. But then I don't know where my guitar will go. Also, my hamster woke up because I'm talking. Hi. They're nocturnal if you didn't know. So I feel bad whenever I wake her up during the day, but it's okay. I'll give her a treat. Okay, I don't know if I like it. I wish it could be over more but that's like plugged in there. And I don't know where else to plug it in. Like I don't have any other place to plug it in. I don't know. I feel like it'll look better with books on it. Okay, I'm all done putting the books and everything on, and it's literally so cute. I love it so much. I'm so glad I did this because now I can like properly display all my stuff. So I kind of have it like organized obviously by like author up here, and then towards the end it kind of gets like a little random, and then down here is just like some books I read last year and some books I still have to read. It's like I should separate them by if I've read them or not, and those are books I've read like a long time ago obviously, and I was like obsessed with Divergent and Hunger Games, and then just like other old books that I read. Actually I read this one at the beginning of this year, but other than ones I read like years ago. So then I just put my Switch down there and I got my little starlight thing there, and now I can like put a candle up here, and my little rainbow light is so cute. I used to have it on my nightstand, but it was just like too big for that honestly. So I love it, it's so cute. Okay, I'm in bed now and I have my like star thing on. That's the green dots on my face. If I go this way, you can't see it, maybe? Cool. You can. Okay. I put on the little glue-on nails and they're so cute. In this light, I don't know if you can tell, but they're like a bit light blue-ish. And I put more fake tan on, or like self-tan on the white half of my leg. So hopefully that's like fixed by morning. Also, I have my retainer in, so that's why I'm talking weird. But I was also gonna say I'm gonna start solitaire right now before I go to sleep, like just read a chapter to get started. I'm very excited. Another Alice Oseman book. Yeah, love her, so excited. Okay, it's the next day. I just got home from work. My iPad came, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Stop, that like doesn't look real. Okay, I also got the Apple Pencil because, oh, I love Apple's packaging. It's always so nice and like convenient. Like you just peel that back. Oh no, okay. How do you open it? Oh, this? Oh. See, like, Apple thinks of everything. That's such good packaging. I don't know why. Oh my god. I'm never gonna have to buy another pencil again. Oh my god, that's so cool. I'm so excited. Oh, it's like matte. Are you joking? I thought it was like a shiny material. I'm running out of storage. Oh my god. The SD card of my camera was running out, so I'm on my phone now. But look at it. I've literally wanted an iPad my whole life. When I was in like 5th grade, I asked for one for Christmas and I didn't get it and I was so sad. Okay, I finally got the cover off. Also my cat. Stop. This is so fun. Oh my god. It's so thin. Oh my god, I don't know why. Like, obviously it's gonna be thin. Gorgeous. Oh my god, the purple. I'm so glad I went with the purple. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn it on and charge it and set it up, and yeah, I'll probably do another video, like I said, of like showing how I use it for school or like setting it up for school. Okay, it's turned. I was like, hello. Okay, so excited about that. Probably gonna spend the rest of the night messing around with that. But that was this vlog, this 2-day-ish kind of vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what videos you want to see from me this summer, because I don't know what I'm gonna do honestly, but we'll figure it out. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.